Also, we have a train at Gier. But here's a little preview of the grade crossing while we're waiting for the train. He's at Lawrence Highway, so he's almost here. Anyway, we are at Gier, folks. Let me know when his belly lights are flashing. Are they flashing now? Or are they just on solid? Is he only right there? Come here, Papa, before the dinners go down. Go down there. That way a little. Oh no, folks. Is he crossing lines?
Yep.
Is that a weird horn?
Don't go back no further. You got a hole.
I'm in a hole?
If you go back any further, you will be.
How big of a hole?
Big one.
I think it's the whiskey train, but we don't know. I think it's at the light now. Oh no, folks! Oh no, folks! Is he right there? Don't get in my camera again. See him?
No.
Oh no, folks! Hello! I bet it's another beauty train, but I don't know. And if I end up backing up even further, I'm gonna be in a hole. He is moving slow, so I think there is a train at Carlton. Very, very puny. Papa?
Yeah.
I think there is another train at Carlton, I think.
I know it.
Maybe we can see him at 52 if there is another one, right?
Yeah. Maybe.
Okay. That's it.